Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing an in-depth love read for you. Let's see Sagittarius, how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what action can we expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings. Sagittarius will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So let's begin. Sagittarius, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Sagittarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Sagittarius, I am going to be taking two sides to the story. For me, this is person A, this is person B, the other side. If this is your story, you'll know exactly which side you resonate best with. And in the center, of course, I'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards. So let's see what's going on. Action for person A and action for person B. Oh my God, obsessive behavior here by somebody. I don't know what this is. The devil is here as your overall energy, Sagittarius. Let's see what this devil has to say. So, Sagittarius, somebody on person A's side. There is unrest going on here. Maybe person A was not very emotionally open. As much as they were happy with person B, they were taking a lot of emotional happiness from person B. They themselves kept themselves closed off. Maybe very harsh, very analytical, very matter of fact. Where person B is concerned, they're healing. They're healing from an offer that was never given. Maybe they felt emotionally drained out. Maybe they were depressed because person A was never showing them, the potential for a happily ever after. So before I start clarifying these cards, Sagittarius, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards between the two of you. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll go on with the rest of the reading. So Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? And Sagittarius, if you need a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. It's too many cards. One more. Sagittarius and their person spirit. Okay. And we'll take a few more from another deck here, Sagittarius. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person. All right, good to go, Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, will you marry me? Maybe that's what person B was always wanting, and person A kind of never really, even though there was happiness here, I do see person A very happy with person B, but I don't think that offer was made. I just have other responsibilities to take care of. Maybe that's what was said by person A. That I don't have time for, commitment and this, that, and the other. Yes, I'm happy with you, but don't expect more than that. I can't handle you not being in my life forever. For now, but not forever. It's sometimes hard to keep the faith when you're taking so long to commit. See, here again, the topic of commitment. Person A was just not emotionally closed off to offering more, more to person B, even though there was emotional happiness here between the two of you. When I thought about how bad I hurt you, I literally cried. I imagine the type of person you'd want to be with, and that person is nothing like me. The last card here, Saji, says, you have helped me discover my psychic gifts. Thank you. All right, Sajis, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Let's start with the Angel Blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for my Saggy gang. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Health. Yes, Saggys, I don't know what. Somebody is going through a bit of depression here. I do see that here. Four of Cups in reverse, trying to heal their broken heart. It's time to take care of your health. And I'm not just talking physical health here, Sagittarius. Your emotional health. So what's happening with person A spirit? Why are they in the King of Swords in reverse energy? King of Swords in reverse. Why are they in that energy? Yet having the Ten of Cups with them as well. I think person A is playing a double game. They want to keep control of person B. They do keep a watch on person B all the time, and yet pretend that they are not interested, or they don't want to commit, so they sneak away. This is like a narcissist who's neither committing nor allowing the other person to get away completely. Then this kind of a behavior where they're keeping things, I don't know. One more card, Spirit, for the King of Swords in reverse. One more. See, this person is keeping themselves very guarded and yet keeping this connection open. It's almost like I'm happy with you and we should be together, but we are not together, and I'm not going to commit to you. So almost like, I don't know how to explain this. The feeling I'm getting from this King of Swords in reverse is they're keeping control. They want the happiness, they want to have the connection and keep it open, and yet not, always kind of escaping commitment. Ten of Cups. Why are they in the Ten of Cups energy, Spirit? Yeah, because they do like person B a lot. They feel person B is very loving, very kind, very generous, takes care of them, is sweet, is beautiful. So they are kind of, they want all the happiness which comes with this Queen of Pentacles, and yet they're like a statue. I don't know. They want it, but they don't want to give to it. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for all this to happen? The High Priestess in reverse. I think something was said here. Something came out in the open with the Hierophant in reverse as well, that I'm not ready for commitment. Maybe something was said here. Yes, somebody said, I want to be alone, I'm happier by myself, I don't want to carry any burden with me, I don't want to be bogged down with a connection, I'm not ready for marriage. And they made it very clear that they were not in it for the long haul, and they were going to move away sooner or later. Hierophant in reverse. Hierophant in reverse. Yes, this person didn't want to get stuck. See, this is what this person does. They come back, but they don't want to be in a stuck connection. They keep returning to person B all the time without offering any commitment, but they don't want to be stuck in it either. So it's almost like they want to have an open relationship where I'm happy with you because you make me very happy, you're beautiful, you're kind, I enjoy all the benefits which come from this connection, but I'm not ready to get stuck. So how does person A now feel about the connection, Spirit? See again, Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Why is the Ten of Pentacles in reverse? Absolutely the same message. I mean, they love the love that they get from person B. They want this love, they want this caring, they want the emotional happiness, but they don't want commitment. Ten of Wands in reverse. Person A is playing all these games because they don't want to be burdened with anything which is going to be long term. One more, 10 of Wands in reverse. Yes, person, I'm sorry to say, Sagittarius, I don't know which side you're on, but person A is a little bit of a selfish person. They don't believe in love, they don't believe in any soulmate connection. What they believe is in passion. They don't want to be burdened with love and, forever, you're my soulmate and we'll be together. This person saying, hey, I'm happy the way things are. I have passion for you, you have love for me, and that's what works for me. I don't want to be burdened with a commitment. 9 of Cups. Look at this person sitting with their arms folded and saying, ha ha ha, I'm happy the way things are. I get my passion and I don't have to offer love. I'm not burdened by any long-term pressures. So what action person A will finally take, I'll open later. Sagittarius, let's go to the other side and see what's happening here. 4 of Cups in reverse. So person B is quite depressed, I would feel. They haven't got the offer that they were waiting for. Yes, they've been waiting, they've been going back and forth in their mind. Will I ever get this commitment? Will it ever come? Feeling very unbalanced in their life maybe at the moment, because I think that person has always held back. They've never offered them. One more for the 4 of Cups in reverse. Yeah, they feel that my person never puts in the work to make this connection grow. So what's this 3 of Swords in reverse then, Spirit? 3 of Swords in reverse. 3 of Swords in reverse. They're hoping that sooner or later somebody will come and do the right thing. This King of Swords who's in the reverse will come correct one day. They will come and do the right thing. They will say the right thing. They will behave in the correct manner and hopefully heal this broken heart of theirs. Even though till now there has been no communication to suggest that. There has been no new beginning which has been offered, Sagittarius. Person B feels quite lost. They feel rejected, dejected. They feel not respected. They don't feel, they feel they are losing, but still hoping against hope, I think, that one day my person will realize what they've done and they'll do the right thing and probably come and heal this connection between them. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Knight of Cups in reverse. Yes, they felt my person broke some promises. They broke some promises, maybe regarding making a choice. Somewhere person B feels that they feel that, I know that person A really loves me, they really love me, but they somehow make a choice which is against this connection. They always break promises. They don't offer me any emotions. They hide their emotions from me. And but person B, I think, is still stuck on them. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. They're still trying to see the higher ground. They're still trying to tap into their maybe own spirituality and find answers from within. They're still trying to take the higher ground. That I know, even if my person is breaking promises, even if they're not making that decision, I know my person loves me. I know my person loves me. I think person B is in that mode of waiting, putting their life on hold for that one day when, yes, they can stop being stressed out and not being able to sleep at night, even though it's up in the air. And this is, I think, wishful thinking. This is fantasy. Person B could be in fantasy mode, thinking the best. So person B, how do you see this connection now? Or how do you see this person? Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that here? Person B is the one who's obsessed. Sorry to say that. The devil is here again, which was the overall energy. They still want victory in this connection. Even though the writing on the wall till now is that there has been no offer. There has been no offer, no respect shown, no long-term, offer made to make them the spouse or something like that. But I think person B is still obsessed that one day those barriers will break. My person will put their barriers down. What are they hoping for, Spirit? Person B? For a reconciliation. My person will be back. One day we'll be together again. 7 of Wands in reverse. 7 of Wands in reverse. Yes, they are still hoping against hope that one day their Prince Charming is going to become the Emperor and take back power, take back control of this connection. All barriers will come down. If till now they've been feeling that person A has kept them blocked off, that will all end one day and my person will come and do the right thing. Okay? So this is almost like an obsession to have the victory. So person A, will you take action? Because person B is very, very hopeful even now. Page of Swords in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is that an action? Why is that an action? Why is the Page of Swords an action? One more. Page of Swords, why is that an action? Person B feels that I don't think person A is they feel this is a very immature connection, or there's a lot of gossip around this connection, or this is not, I don't know. This person, I don't think, is ready for a balanced connection at the moment. They would rather just be in this mode of, when I'm there, I'm there. When I'm not there, I'm not there. Person A still wants to maintain the way they like to do things. One more. Page of Swords in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit? Yeah, they're not ready for a long-term connection, Sagittarius. I know you guys are going to hate me, but this is what is showing up. Person A doesn't want a spouse. They don't want fertility, growth, abundance in a connection. This stresses this person out big time. They're up in their head. They would rather keep it swift and fast, and I'll come in and I'll leave as fast as I come in. They don't want something balanced and harmonious. And person B, what action will you take? 5 of Wands. Why is that an action? Why is that an action person B would like to take? 5 of Wands. Yes, person B is still ready to fight for this connection. Person B says, I am convinced that I can make this work. One more. 5 of Wands. 5 of Wands. What can I say, Sagittarius? Person B is saying, I don't care if there's competition. I don't care if there are third parties. I don't care if my person is a player. I don't care if they come in and out of my life. All I know that this is the person that makes me very, very happy. And I still want to fight for this connection, and I still want to work it out. So that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Till Friday then, for your love bite, love and light. Take care. Namaste.